feeling my way through the darkness.
Ciao, mi chiamo Esther Martelans, ho 16 anni, sono nata a Trieste e vado a scuola internazionale IB. Mi definisco una ragazza studiosa, semplice e sensibile.
I know where to start. They tell me I'm too young to
Mi
understand.
sono iscritta a Miss Topolini per fare una nuova esperienza. Suono il pianoforte da 8 anni e nel tempo libero faccio barca a vela. Voglio studiare medicina e fare il medico.
So wake me up when it's all over. When I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time
Giuria, votatemi perché sempre cerco di dare il meglio e saluto tutti.
know I was lost. So wake me up when it's all over. When I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. I tried carrying the weight of the world, but I only have two hands. Hope I get the chance to travel the world, but I don't have any plans. Wish that I could stay forever this young, not afraid to close my eyes. Life's a game made for everyone, and love is the prize. So wake me up